I'm coming out of semi-retirement to do this for the people. I could just chill out and not do it, but they're pushing me into it and I'm going to give it a try.
You're very welcome to Henry's front bench. This is the best bench we could get behind us. You're running in Dublin Central. How come you've decided to run?
The people have asked me to run. They've asked me to run over the years, and lately they pushed and pushed me, and I'm running.
We're here just off Sheriff Street. This is your area, this is your home.
Yes, that's correct. And I'm going to, if I get elected, I'm going to try to help them as much as I can.
You know, if we go back to your childhood, it was a difficult childhood, wasn't it? Growing up around here, not too far
Yes,
from
it was
here.
rough, but you just got on with it, and this is it.
You're genuine about this run, aren't you?
Yes, without a doubt. So there's no sense in running if you're not going to be genuine and truthful. I'm here. If I get elected, I'll do what I can.
Tell me something about you you've never shared with anyone before.
Love hiking, yeah. Love hiking. Up the mountains, on my own, middle of nowhere. Lovely.
What else do you like doing in your spare time?
That's the number one, the hiking, you know. Plenty of walking.
You've gone through life, everything from cab, right the way through to the limo business, right the way through to the feud. You want to move on from all of that.
That's all yesterday's news. You have to move forward. Draw a line on the sand and move forward. And hopefully, if I'm elected, I'm going to be representing the people. And that'll be my job.
Any regrets if you did it all again?
Yeah, maybe I should have ran for politician when I was 20.
So you should have done it?
Yeah, years ago.
And could you have found an easier way of making a life for yourself?
I don't know.
Can you give me one policy you're going to do?
Homelessness, housing for the people, affordable housing. People cannot get on the property ladder. We need affordable housing. Someone who's starting to get on the property ladder has to be earning 120 grand a year. It's disgraceful. It's not for the people around here. We need affordable housing.